Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand. So BTC is crashed down 1.47% in last 24 hours. What is going to happen next now? I will tell you in this video. If you want future trading signal, join my Telegram group. I will provide daily 10 to 15 signal, print money like machine. You can see here 62,000 was the current price. You can see here definitely it was crashed down 3,000, and definitely if you look the chart condition in last 24 hours, we will be see little bit breakdown here, and it was start very badly crashed down. The price will come down from 63 to 62, my brothers, right now in last 12 hours. And of course, my brother, if we will look out just and only the volume and market cap, both are decreasing. You can see 16% was the volume was decreasing, and you can see here 1.53% was the market cap was decreasing. So simply you can see here when volume was decreasing, then market cap was decreasing, and remember when market cap was decreasing, then price. So if we will look, my brother, this time just and only in the last 24 hour current conditions, so 1.54% crash down. Can this time possibilities route was pump? I expected, my brothers, again from Bitcoin, my brothers, to crash down from 60,000. Okay, absolutely it was crashed down from 60,000, then big crash was coming. Possibilities to it will come down to 55,000 to 50,000, and otherwise if it will be start consolidating here, then I was expected again to it will be rising up. On Telegram, I post so many signals about this, my brothers, and we will print money like machine. If you're interested to join, link is in the description. Go check it out.